Hello dear students, hope you all are fine. In this video, you are going to learn about passage. What do you mean by passage? A passage is a portion of a written work, a paragraph or a verse, etc. There are two kinds of passages, seen passage and unseen passage. A seen passage is already read by us, which means we already know what is in it. It's usually given from a prescribed textbook. For example, if I extract a small paragraph from the lesson Arc of Colors, which is given in your textbook, and I'll ask you to go through the passage and answer the questions. It won't be much difficult for you to find out the answers because you already have read this lesson, isn't it? That's why it is called seen passage. Similarly, if a passage that is unknown to you, which means you have never read about it or seen it, that is called unseen passage. An unseen passage is unknown to us, which means we never have seen or read it. Today, we are going to read an unseen passage that is given in your worksheet book on page number 104. Dear children, remember whenever you read any passage, read it at least thrice. Thrice means three times, so that you will clearly get an idea what is the passage about. Now, let us start. Mira has a pet dog. His name is Bozo. Every day, Mira gets up early to play with Bozo. Before going to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. Bozo loves to eat bread and milk. In the afternoon, Bozo waits for Mira to come back from school. When Mira comes back, Bozo jumps with joy and welcomes her with a bark. Now let us go through the sentences given below. Dear students, you have to write these sentences in a proper sequence. And to write these sentences in a proper sequence, you need to go through the passage again. Alright? Mira has a pet dog. Let us see if the sentence Mira has a pet dog is given below. Yes, it is given there. It's given in third line. Mira has pet dog. So this should be the number 1. Sentence number 1. Let us go through another sentence. His name is Bozo. Let us see if the sentence his name is Bozo given below. Yes, it is there. It is given in the second line. So this should be the sentence number 2. Now let us look for another sentence. Mira has a pet dog. His name is Bozo. Every day Mira gets up early to play with Bozo. Yes, this sentence is given in first line. So this should be the sentence number 3. Now let us look for another sentence. Mira has a pet dog. His name is Bozo. Every day Mira gets up early to play with Bozo. Before going to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. Is this sentence anywhere? Yes, it is given in the last line. Before going to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. So this should be the sentence number 4. Now let us look for some another sentence. Mira has a pet dog. His name is Bozo. Every day Mira gets up early to play with Bozo. Before getting to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. Bozo loves to eat bread and milk. Is this sentence anywhere? No, it isn't. let us look for some another sentence. In the afternoon, Bozo waits for Mira to come back from school. Is this sentence given below? Yes, it is given. In the afternoon, Bozo waits for Mira to come back school. It is given in the fourth line. So this should be the sentence number 5. Now let us look for another sentence. Mira has a pet dog. His name is Bozo. Every day Mira gets up early to play with Bozo. Before going to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. Bozo loves to eat bread and milk. In the afternoon, Bozo waits for Mira to come back from school. When Mira comes back, Bozo jumps with joy and welcomes her with a bark. Is the sentence given anywhere? Yes, it is given in the fifth. So this should be the number 6. Let us see the proper sequence of these sentences again. Sentence number 1. Mira has pet dog. Sentence number 2. His name is Bozo. Sentence number 3. Every day Mira get up early to play with Bozo. Sentence number 4. Before going to school, Mira gives Bozo his meal. Sentence number 5. In the afternoon, Bozo waits for Mira to come back from school. Sentence number 6. The last sentence. When Mira comes back, Bozo jumps with joy and welcomes her with a bark. Dear children, I hope you all have understood how should we read a passage and do the questions related to it. Take care and bye.